Welcome. In today's guide, we'll show you how to mark a group as unread on the WhatsApp app for PC using a simple keyboard shortcut. This new feature is incredibly useful for keeping track of important conversations you want to revisit later. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. If you already have it installed, locate the app icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and launch it. Once the app is open, you'll see your list of chats displayed on the main screen. Next, find the group chat that you want to mark as unread. Scroll through your chat list until you locate the specific group. If you have many chats and need to save time, use the search bar at the top of the screen to quickly find it by typing in the group's name. Once you've entered the group chat, here's where the magic happens. Simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus U on your keyboard. This action will instantly mark the group as unread. You'll notice that a green dot or bold text appears next to the group in your chat list, indicating that it has been marked as unread. This feature is especially handy if you've already opened a group but want to remind yourself to check back later. It doesn't affect read receipts for the sender. They'll still know if you've seen their messages. So this is purely for personal organization. And that's it! You've successfully marked a group as unread on WhatsApp using just a keyboard shortcut. This quick and easy method helps you stay organized and ensures that no important conversations slip through the cracks. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from this tip. Stay tuned for more useful guides to make your messaging experience even better.